set alarm clock on a Samsung A37 5G, open the clock application for the first, now go into the alarm on the left bottom corner, and you can use this preset or you can create the new one by clicking on the plus. So just like we want. First of all, you can set time, then date, or you can even schedule by opening the calendar. Next, we can set name for our alarm. We can also turn on and off sound, but also we can change it. We can even use extension with Spotify or, for example, Bixby. We can also do the same with vibrations. Here we can manage alarm snooze. Below we can find alarm background, so we can even put a custom photo if we want. And now we have to click save if we want to apply this one. And you can get multiple alarms at once and you can just turn them on and off like you want.